What we've seen over the past 2 years is that we're well beyond viewing AI as just an efficiency tool. We're in what I would call a true augmentation phase, where insights professional and AI work together as a powerful team. Now think about what this really means. Sure, AI can handle the heavy lifting of data processing and routine tasks like initial report drafting, but it's not just about replacement, it's about enhancement. The most successful teams that we're seeing are those who understand this partnership dynamic. When AI takes care of these time-consuming tasks, it frees us to focus on what humans do best: critical thinking, strategic interpretation, and adding the context that transforms data into actionable insights. Yes, there's a learning curve with these tools, but the payoff is clear. Insights professionals who embrace this partnership are not being replaced by AI, they're being empowered by it. They're delivering deeper insights because they can focus on the strategic work that truly moves the business forward.